Question number 6. So Luke buys 4 apples and 5 bananas. This is a 4-mark question. So let's just focus on the first step to begin with. The total cost is £3.70. Each apple costs 35p. Work out the cost in pence of each banana. Okay, so each apple costs 35p. So the first step that I would use in this situation is doing 35p times by 4 apples. So this is a non-calculator, so we're going to have to do this in our heads. So I know that 35 times 2 equals 70. So I'm going to times that by 2 again to get 35 times 4. So 70 times 2 is 140. So 35 times 4 is going to be equal to 140p. So equal to £1.40. So that's how much money we have spent on apples. So this would be a good place to pause the video and see if you can kind of figure out where to go with this question from here. Okay, so hopefully you've had a go at the rest of the questions. This is 4 marks, so that step might get you the first 1 or maybe 2 marks, but let's try and figure out what the rest of the marks are going to be for. So we have 140 is the amount we've spent on apples. So now let's take that away from our 370 minus £1.40. So you might want to use the column method for this subtraction. Also, if you're not super comfortable with decimals, it might be easiest to do it in pennies first and then convert it to pounds later. So you could either do it like I've written out here, or we'll write it out again over here using the amounts in pennies, so we're not dealing with decimals. So either way, you're going to have, so you're going to do 0 take away 0 is 0, 7 take away 4 is 3, 3 take away 1 is 2, so you're either going to have 230p, or over here, you're going to have £2.30. It's the same thing. So let's do ours in pounds. So £2.30 has been spent on bananas. We know that there were 5 bananas bought. So now we're going to have to divide that £2.30 by 5 to work out the cost in pence of each banana. So let's actually go for the 230 pence because that's what we want the answer to be in. We're going to divide that by 5. So you might want to use the bus stop method. I'm running out of space, so I'm just going to go below. So we have 5 bus stop 230. So obviously 5 divided by 2 is 0. 2 divided by 5 is 0. So we're going to carry the 2 over. So now we've got 23 divided by 5. So that's going to be 4 remainder 3, because 20 divided by 5 equals 4. And then obviously we're going to have that remainder 3. So now we've got 30 divided by 5, which is 6. So our answer is going to be 46 pence. Hopefully that's what you guys got if you paused the video and did the rest of the question by yourselves.